Hey guys, well, go on. Today we're gonna change this battery on this Mitsubishi Outlander, and it is a 2018. So if your car look like this, doesn't matter what year you have, once it look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure. So I'm gonna show you how to start your car and how to change your battery. So let's get into the video. So you come to your car, you're trying to unlock your door don't open. You get your key, you put it in the door like this, turn it, the door open. You get inside and you try to start the car and you find out, hey, the remote is good, it's just the battery in the car is dead. So nothing happened right there because the battery is dead. You go ahead and open it from right here. Once you open it from there, come around to the front and go ahead and lift the hood up. Once you lift the hood up by this, you can see this unhook from here, and then you can lift the hood up, and then you can put this in right here. You see the arrow, so put the prop rod right there. So what you guys want to do is get your positive cable, you hook it up right here. Your negative cable, you hook it up right here from your power source. So whatever power source you have, if you have it from a car or you have it from a jumper, you can go ahead and jump the car like that. Alright, so what you're gonna need, guys, you're gonna need a clip puller. Pull this right here. Link will be in the description for all the tools I use. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Let's grow this channel. Once you remove those two clips, you can just pull this forward like that. Just pull it forward and it will come forward. Now you're gonna need a 10mm for the battery poles right here. 10mm. We want to start with the negative, so in case you touch anything like this, you don't sparks or short or anything. You don't want to start with a positive cable. All right, start with a negative, and make sure you don't touch the tools with the positive. So start with your negative cable, remove that. Now we can go and get the positive cable, but this thing you gotta lift up on it. So just pull up on it straight up and it will come straight up in the air. Go ahead and remove this. Once you remove this right here, just want to get it loose. Shake this back and forth, take it off, put it down there. So the next step you're gonna need is a 10mm. Link will be in the description for this, and you're gonna need a ratchet handle. So a long 10mm ratchet handle, and that's how you take it off. So because I'm at work, I'm gonna use this to make the work go more faster. You can see hook down in there. There's some hook down there. I will show you earlier. I will show you when I take the battery out. So go ahead and lift the battery out. This you can go ahead and take it out and dust it out. Dust it out on there so it falls down to the bottom. Once that's back in place, you want to get the battery. Alright, so the battery just takes going to be a 35 series. Make sure you put your positive over here so your positive can go to your positive, negative to negative. So let me show you these hooks down here. So if you look down here, there's a hole right here. So the hook's got to go in on here. And over here, just need to go here and hold it and screw it in. So you hook under here. Alright, so let's put it back together. So what you want to do is get the hooks down and hook them up. So I have that one hook already. Just gonna hold it so it don't fall out, so they will fall out. I hook the second one and I just gonna keep pressure on it. And once I keep the pressure on it, the hook won't fall out. If I let it go, then it will fall out. So you want to keep the pressure on it. If you let it go and try to tighten it, it's just gonna spin. You see that down there, just spinning around. It's not gonna tighten, so that's why once I get it to hook, I just hold it up like that, and that will keep it in place. And I can just tighten it down like that. The battery won't move. So the next thing, you want to get your positive cable. Put on your positive cable first. The last to go off and the first to go on. Go ahead and put that on and tighten it back up. I'm not going to bore you with that, so I'm going to cut the video right here. And the next, we want to get our negative cable and install it just like that. And we just go ahead and tighten it up. And guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. And I'm also not going to cut the video. I'm just going to go right ahead and start it. So you guys always say, hey, a lot of people say, oh, you need this or you need that, or you need to reprogram the computer once you start the battery. None of that is true. So let's go ahead and crank it up. And I can't find the key. Let's get back out here. Alright, so I got the key right here. I could have cut that out, but I'm not gonna cut it out so you guys can see. I just come on, I turn the ignition on for a few seconds, turn it back off and crank it up. The vehicle crank up just like that. The radio gonna come on any minute now. AC. The AC work. And what you gotta do is set the time. So you press the clock. So that's neat. Once you press the clock, the time gonna come up and you're gonna set the time. So go to manual. The time is now 10. The time is 10:32. a.m. The date is, we're at the 8th month, and the day is, today is the 17th of August 2020. And by the way, you guys, be safe out there. Wear your mask and keep your distance. So that's it, guys. For that, let's go ahead and put the battery back, put the air filter housing back, Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel together. One more thing, guys, to have is a battery sealer. If you have it, that's good. If you don't have it, it's not a big deal. And let's put the filter on, the intake. So it goes in the intake on the back, and put these clips on. And that's it, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me grow. Peace out. See you next time.